If you're in calculus, you will definitely need to use this on your exam. This is the product rule, and this is one of the most important rules in all of calculus. So, what is the product rule? The product rule is if you have to take the derivative of a function that has two parts multiplied to each other. So, for example, we have function of f multiplied by a function of g. So, what is the product rule? The product rule is dx of f of x times g of x is equal to f prime of x, so derivative of the first function, times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. So as you can see, in the first part, we are taking the derivative just of the first function, keeping the second function the same. Then in the second part, we are doing the derivative of the second part, keeping the first the same. So let's get into a quick example. We have y is equal to x squared plus 3 times x cubed minus 1. So let's write this. So we're going to say highlight f of x as blue and g of x as red. So we have this as our f of x, and we have this as g of x. So let's write it out. So first, let's find just the f of prime x and g prime x. So f prime x is equal to d dx x squared plus 3, which is just 2x. G prime of x is equal to x, sorry, d dx, nope, d dx of x cubed minus 1, and that is equal to 3x squared. So now that we have our f prime of x and g prime of x, let's put it into this equation right here. So just to rewrite the equation, I'm going to have d dx of f of x g of x is equal to f prime of x g of x plus f of x g prime of x. And it's always good to repeat it over and over again so that it gets locked into your brain. So let's plug in the terms. So we have f prime of x is equal to 2x, right? And then multiplied by g of x. So this is your blue. Then we have g of x, which is your red. This is your g of x. Multiplied by x cubed minus 1. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. Too many colors. X cubed minus 1. This is your red. That's your g of x. Plus f prime of x, which is just x squared plus 3. Same thing as there. Multiplied. Nope. Sorry, my iPad is going crazy today. Multiplied by g prime of x, which is 3x squared. Like that. Okay, so that is our final answer. We can simplify this further, basically just multiplying these out together, but that is the essence of product rule.